Good afternoon. My name is Baby Siswanto. Thank you for moderator for giving me the opportunity for presenting our paper entitled Reshape and Reduce Dimensionality Reduction Data Technique on Association Role Mining. I'm here presenting the paper for my partner Eva Wakitanwar and Riza Rahmania. We are from Bina Nusantara University. This paper is presented on the third International Symposium on Materials and Electrical Engineering ISME 2021. The reason is the online shopping transaction have become a trend because consumers are worried about leaving their home due to the current outbreak, which is in the middle in the pandemic of COVID-19. All online stores have implemented market basket analysis to increase their sales volume and revenues. Association rules, the basic concept is to consider support value and confidence value. So in this paper we are going to analyze two main value, which are the support value and confidence value. The greater support value and confidence value indicate the strong rules. So we are going to find what is the strong rules based on the data. This research will compare the reshape dataset technique with the reduced dataset technique to determine which is more effective without eliminating important rules. So we are going to analyze two techniques based on previous research, which are the reshape dataset techniques and reduced dataset technique. The dataset used is the public dataset French Retail Store of Public Dataset obtained from Kaggle. Okay. This is our proposed method. This research was conducted by comparing the results of two different processes against the same original dataset. So we are going to use same dataset and we do two different process, which is the first process. The data will be processed by a reshape process, and we are obtaining the reshape dataset. And the other process will implement the reduce process for obtaining the reduced dataset. So there will be two dataset, and the both of dataset will be analyzed by association rule mining. Okay. Reshape dataset obtained from cutting data by n%, which is the n% is 30%, 40%, and 50%, and 55%. Why we using this number? Because the previous research said these numbers. The n% numbers of the original dataset record with the reshape original algorithm and reduce dataset result from implementing the ISD-AFP algorithm. So the reduced dataset result will be obtained by implementing the ISD-EFP algorithm. This is based on the other previous research. The analysis was conducted by implementing an association rules mining. So there will be two main processes, and both processes will be analyzed by association rule mining. There will be two analysis process. Here is the result. Based on the result, based on the number of data, number of original reshape and reduced dataset records, seen that the accuracy is used as a reference to assess which dataset is more effective. The frequent item set studied was only 2K item set, which is X implies Y. Only 2 on left-handed side, and 1 on left-handed side and 1 in the right-handed side. 1 LHS and 1 in the RHS. X implies Y. There are 6 datasets used in this experiment. The original datasets contains 7,501 records. And the 30% dataset contains 6,968 records. The 40% reshape dataset contains 7,146 records. 50% reshape dataset contains 7,208 86 record, and 55% receipt record contains 7,307 records. Meanwhile, the ICFP dataset contains 7,475 records. Based on this data, found that the dataset from ICFP dataset has closer value. This is already implemented by each of the algorithm. This is the dataset, the original dataset from 7,501 records, implemented by the fourth of the receipt process, and the ISTFP processed by the ISTFP algorithm. This is the finding about the rules. This is the rules, the top 5 rules. Saying that the rule one contains mineral water implies spaghetti. Rule number 2 contains French fries implies chocolate. Rule number 2 contains eggs implies burger. Rule number 4 contains eggs implies ground beef, and rule number 5 contains chocolate implies shrimp. So these are the 5 rules. On rule number 1, found that the support values of this technique using ICFP algorithm has the close value to the original support values. So the support values from the ICFP algorithm found in the chart closer to the original dataset rules in the rule number 1. Other rules also have a similar result, which is the rules obtained by the ISTFP algorithm has almost the same height from the original dataset process with the association rule mining. So this is the value, the detailed value about the top 5 rules. So values from the original dataset found 5.97% of customers will buy mineral water and spaghetti together in one transaction. And other values indicates the value of the support values. Found that the receipt result, so the 50% receipt result has the closest support to original support value, which is 0.16% from the rule. This is the close, more close, the difference is the better one. Okay. The ISTFP algorithm from the below chart found has the smallest difference from the result on the original support values. So the support values from ISTFP algorithm is better than others. And then this is the confidence values. The confidence values, all of the rules found that all rules has the same on the confidence values. The receipt introduce data process obtain the same confidence values. Indicates that the receipt introduced processes have been carried out good and correct in the prediction of the association rules obtained. The conclusion is the association rule mining by implementing reduced dataset techniques and received dataset technique will optimize customer online shopping experience. Unnecessary items will not be counted as they will not be considered essential things. So this will help customers save their time online shopping, as the core application will provide a faster response because the system and the application will not process unnecessary items. Based on the experiment results, both techniques will resulting in the same confidence values for the top 5 rules. Support values result obtained by reducing dataset have a better result that support values result obtained by received dataset indicates by the average support values deviation on the top 5 rules. The reduced dataset ISTFP dataset support value has a smallest of the minor deviation. The ICFT algorithm will do a smart prune. So this is why the ICFT algorithm has a better deviation or different from the original dataset because it will do a smart prune on the dataset. Okay, that's all for our presentation. My name is Bobi Siswanto. I am from Bina Nusantara University. Thank you.